Hi, this is Dana with your Car Care Minute. Keeping your car as fuel efficient as possible will not only benefit you financially, but it's also good for the environment. In many cases, the investment you make in maintaining your car's fuel efficiency will pay for itself in a short period of time, because you'll be filling up less often. Here are just a couple of things that you can do to help keep your car more fuel efficient and to help the environment too. Make sure that you replace the car's air filter on average every year or every 12,000 miles. This could vary depending on the conditions in which you drive. The best way to know is to make sure your air filter is checked when you get your oil changed. The next is to have your fuel induction system professionally cleaned on a regular basis. This will include cleaning the fuel injectors. Again, this is recommended about every 2 years or every 24,000 miles, depending on the area in which you drive. If you're not sure about whether or not your car is as fuel efficient as it could be, don't hesitate to give us a call. That's why we're here.